we are going to discuss class 9th English book Moments, and the chapter is 6 Weathering the Storm in Arizona. Guys, short summary of this chapter we have explained already in few videos, but today we are going to explain the chapter. Okay, so here you should know that before starting the explanation of this chapter, we should know the warm-up lines, and the warm-up lines are here. The cyclone that hit Odisha in October 1999 killed thousands of people and devastated hundreds of villages. Okay, so you can say that here your writer is telling to all the readers that what types of harmful the storm was in 1999 in Arizona, and Arizona is a place in Odisha. For 2 dreadful nights, Prashant, a young man, means here you can say that there is a character whose name is Prashant, and this story runs around the storm and a young man whose name is Prashant was marooned in the roof of a house. Okay, on the third day he decided to go to his village. Means in the morning of that day means on that day the storm came in Arizona, means so in Odisha at Arizona. At that day he had gone to visit his friend. Did he find his family? Here we have to find out the answer of this question. So let's start. On 27th October 1999, 7 years after his mother's death, means here you can understand by reading the first line of this story that a young man whose name is Prashant, his mother had died. Okay, so on 27th October 1999, the age of Prashant was 7 years. So here Prashant had gone to the block headquarters of Arizona, a small town in coastal Odisha. You can understand. Means on that day where Prashant had gone, some 18 kilometers from his village, you can understand that the headquarters of Arizona, which is a small town in coastal Odisha, was 18 kilometers from the village of young man Prashant. So he had gone there to spend the day with a friend. In the evening, a dark and menacing storm quickly gathered. Okay, so what types of storm and what was the weather before the storm and after storm winds wished again the houses with a speed and fury that Prashant had never witnessed before. Means here you can say that nobody had seen this types of storm before that day. And here Prashant is also telling that he had not seen these types of storm in his career. Heavy and incessant rain filled the darkness. Ancient trees and uprooted and crushed the earth. Here you can say that heavy trees is still the ancient trees uprooted in this storm. Screams rent in the air as people houses were swiftly washed away. Means in the storm, each and everywhere all the people started to cry because this was the dangerous storm for all the people in Odisha at Arizona. Screams rent the air as people and houses were swiftly washed away. The angry waters rolled into his friend's house neck deep. Means here you can say that there was nothing, only water. Everywhere a person can see a person could see only water in Odisha at Ersama. And the water was means a person can tap. Okay. The building was of brick and mortar and was strong enough to survive the devastation of the wind's velocity of 350 kilometers per hour. Means what was the surprising? Means 350 kilometers per hour. If the speed of the storm was 350 kilometers per hour, means one can understand how much dreadful that storm was. But the cold terror of the family grew with the crashing of trees that had got uprooted and fallen on their house, sometime in the middle of the night, damaging its roof and walls. Okay, so here, guys, you are getting the explanation of this chapter. I think doubtly I'm missing this chapter is explained. Okay, it doesn't matter if this chapter is explained, you can understand this is a explanation of this chapter. So we should proceed. The crash, destruction wrought by the cyclone and the surge of the ocean continued for the next 36 hours. Means 36 hours the storm was running on. All the wind speeds had reduced somewhat by the next morning. Anyhow, the speed reduced after 36 years. After 36 hours in the morning. To escape the waters rising in the house, Prashant and his friends' family had taken refuge on the roof. So, because you can say that the roof height is high, so Prashant and his friends' family had to spend the night on the roof. Okay. Prashant and his friends' family had taken a refuge on the roof. Prashant will never forget the shock of the experience at his first glimpse of the devastation wrought by the super cyclone. In the grey light of the early morning, a raging, deadly brown sheet of water covered everything as far as the eye could see. Only fractured cement houses still stood in a few places. Wow, what the dangerous storm was. Bloated animal carcasses. Yes, here you can say that the dead body of animal is known as carcasses. The dead body of animal is known as carcasses and the dead body of human is corpse. All round even huge bole trees had fallen. 2 coconut trees had fallen on the roof of their house. This was blessing in disguise because the tender coconut from the trees trapped family from starving in the several days of that follows. Okay guys, so here your today's homework is that you should try to understand the explanation of these two passages. Anyhow, this is your responsibility. You should try to understand what will be the explanation of the passage.